Most factory accidents don't happen because machines fail. They happen because simple safety rules are ignored. A missing helmet, an unlocked machine, a small spill left behind. Today, we'll cover 5 safety rules that save lives. Rule 1. Wear proper. PPE, personal protective equipment, is your first line of defense. Always wear your helmet, gloves, safety shoes, and goggles. No shortcuts. A helmet protects your head from falling objects. Gloves protect your hands from cuts and burns. Safety shoes protect your feet from heavy impact. Goggles protect your eyes from dust and flying particles. Many workers think PPE is uncomfortable. Others believe they don't need it for small jobs, but accidents don't warn you. PPE is not optional. It is mandatory. No PPE, no work. Rule 2. Machine lockout. Before repair, machines don't think. Machines don't care. If power is connected, a machine can start at any time. Before repairing or cleaning equipment, switch off the power, lock the energy source, attach a warning tag. Test the machine. Many serious injuries happen during maintenance. Hands get crushed. Fingers are lost. If it's not locked out, do not touch it. No job is worth a life. Rule 3. Keep your area clean. A clean workplace is a safe workplace. Oil spills, loose tools, and scrap materials cause accidents. Slips and falls are some of the most common factory injuries. A small spill can cause broken bones. A loose tool can cause serious harm. If you see a hazard, remove it immediately. Safety is everyone's responsibility. If it's not clean, it's not safe. Rule 4. Follow safety signs. Safety signs exist to protect you. They warn you about danger. They tell you what protection is required. They tell you where not to go. High voltage, moving machinery, restricted areas. Ignoring safety signs is like ignoring a red traffic light. Just because nothing happened yesterday doesn't mean nothing will happen today. Respect safety signs. Follow them. Rule 5. Report unsafe conditions. Most accidents start small. A loose wire, a broken guard, a leaking pipe. When hazards are ignored, they grow. Reporting unsafe conditions protects everyone. There is no punishment for reporting hazards, but there are serious consequences for ignoring them. If you see something unsafe, speak up immediately. Ending and see. TI. A safety doesn't stop when work ends. Every worker has a family waiting at home. Before starting work, ask yourself, am I wearing PPE? Is the machine locked out? Is my area clean? Am I following safety signs? If the answer is no, stop and fix it. Stay safe. Go home healthy. Comment if your factory follows these rules.